You can tell, like, this is just probably a couple inches, maybe an inch or two left, which is no big deal. I'm just saying that it's so much snow that it's like, what they do is they take dump trucks and they'll haul it out. I'm sure this is no different than any other small town or city or whatever. Doing a voiceover because of the wind, but yeah, right here you can see there's someone shoveling back there. That's the whole city. Everyone's doing it. The whole area, I mean, they're all shoveling. They're just trying to get this all cleaned up, and it might take them more than just this day. I think it takes probably like 2 days. Feel like temp? I think it's like